Before you can face other creatures, there are a few steps you must pass through. That's why you are here. Just an egg, inside this tiny body, no bigger than 1 millimeter. Outside, many creatures are moving around. Creatures you may meet once you hatch. You can escape from them, even though they are bigger than you, because you are a fire ant. Inside a nest deep under the ground, you are under the care of worker ants. They always make sure you are safe and in the best conditions. With you, there are other eggs that also need care. A worker ant comes and gently moves you from where you were. After that, it clears out things that don't belong in the nest, remains of insects, seeds, and other dirt. First, it carries you carefully in its jaws and moves you to a clean area. Then it goes back to clean the space you were in. It removes seeds and carries them outside the nest. Immediately after it starts, other worker ants join in. Together they clean everything until the area is completely clear. Then it returns to you and moves you again to the newly cleaned place just to make sure even there is no dirt left. There are thousands like you scattered across the nest, and worker ants are always busy doing their jobs. And this work is not only inside the nest. Some worker ants go outside to work, and they face even greater danger than those inside. The same kind of danger you are waiting for inside the egg. They carry pieces of leaves larger than their own bodies while heading home. Then suddenly, a shadow passes over them, a bird, and they instantly drop the leaf and run for their lives. The work they spent 30 minutes on goes back to zero, but they don't give up. They return and cut another leaf. This time, they are lucky, no danger on the way, and they make it home safely. They bring the leaf to the worker ants, who collect it, chew it, and turn it into pulp for the colony farm. This is your food source, and without it, everything collapses. Then suddenly, a sound from outside. Rain. After about 20 minutes, the tunnels begin to collapse. A flood. Immediately, everyone goes into action. Eggs and larvae are gathered. Even the queen is carried to safety. In a very short time, everyone is brought together in one place. A worker ant carries you, and another carefully places you in the center. Then the ants link their bodies together, forming a living bridge, and you move with the flood toward higher ground. As soon as you reach safety, the worker ants begin building a new tunnel, and after one day, you are in a new home. And right after that, it's your turn to exist. You hatch from the egg. You are now a larva. After a few months, you become an adult. Now it's your turn to face challenges, because you are a worker ant. The first time you go outside, you don't really know what to do. You just follow trails. You keep moving, and when you reach the plants, you stop there, because that's your target. You see other ants cutting leaves, and you start copying them. You place your jaws on a leaf, cut it, and lift it. This is your first time doing it. The other ants are also carrying leaves. You follow them. Just before you reach home, something happens. A giant shadow passes over you. Everything freezes. Everyone drops their leaves and runs, and you do the same. You don't even know why. You just react. It's a bird. You turn back, cut leaves, return. For the second time, you face another danger. But this time, you are the only one who runs while others stay. You pause and wonder why, but you still return. You see one of your kind suddenly climb onto a caterpillar and sting it at the back of its body using its stinger, and you do the same. You sting it again and again, and right there, the caterpillar dies, and you finally understand the difference. You now know which creatures can be defeated, and you return home safely, because now you have protection from other creatures. Not total protection, but some. That stinger at the back of your body is not decoration. It is for defending the colony. The venom inside feels like burning when you use it. You use it whenever something attacks you. Not bigger creatures, but small ones like caterpillars, grasshoppers, and others. You don't use it for fun. You use it for defense. Ants who made it this far. Subscribe for more videos about your life in different forms. Like this video and share it with other ants. And let me know in the comments which version of your life you want to see next.